case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a significant legal dispute, the city of Cleveland found itself locked in a battle with Peter Kiewit Sons Co. The lawsuit centered on damages to an old, disused waterfront dock that the company had been leasing from the city for loading purposes. Despite its lack of activity, the matter drew in the courts when the dock began to collapse, leading the city to sue for damages. A verdict was initially reached, awarding the city of Cleveland a hefty $350,000 in damages. However, the district court intervened, slashing this sum in half due to what it viewed as a grossly excessive figure. Countering, Kiewit protested its innocence, attributing the dock's collapse to old age and general disrepair rather than their use of it. In response, the court mandated a new trial, but focused solely on the question of damages. Kiewit, unsatisfied with this decision, appealed. Brought before a higher court, the judgment was overturned. Why? The court identified misconduct from the city's counsel as vital in improperly influencing the jury's decision. The misconduct involved prejudicial and unethical comments about Kiewit's out-of-state corporation status and its size, sparking bias among the jurors. The court demanded a new trial on all issues, considering the city council's misconduct not only pervasive but disruptive, influencing key verdicts on liability and damages. As a result, the court was unable to accept the reduced damages, or remittiture, and instead declared a mistrial. The court had a responsibility to weigh the conduct and context to determine if the verdict needed to be overturned. It did, returning the city of Cleveland and Peter Kiewit Sons Co. back to square one in their legal showdown over the old waterfront dock.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.